Creating the right image. This is a short but very important video. There are ways that you can set up your entire sales funnel using a free website, but you must not do this. This will make you look extremely cheap, and people will not want to subscribe to your list. You must treat this as a proper business, otherwise you will fail. Be prepared to invest a few dollars in the beginning so that you create the right image. You will need a few tools that are inexpensive to do this, so follow the advice provided here to the letter. Choosing a domain name. Never be tempted to use WordPress.com or Blogger.com to build a sales funnel. This will not only be tough to do, but it will look tacky and cheap. They are never going to believe that you are a top quality internet marketer who knows a lot of secrets if you do this. Get your own domain name. Buying a domain name is easy, and you can go to GoDaddy.com, Namecheap.com, and a whole host of other domain registrars. Sites like GoDaddy publish discount coupons that are easy to find. If you need help with the purchase of a domain name, then there are plenty of helpful videos on YouTube that you can watch. Web hosting. You have to purchase web hosting so that you can host your domain name and your website files. Web hosts offer hosting services on a monthly basis, and $10 a month for shared hosting is average. There are many web hosting companies to choose from. HostGator.com is used by a lot of internet marketers. They provide good hosting plans, and the most popular is the Baby Plan. Their support is good as well. With the Baby Plan, you will be able to host an unlimited number of domain names, which is good news for your future internet marketing projects. When you have placed an order with your web host, they will send you an email with your account details. This will include your DNS server addresses. This is important as you need to use these addresses to connect your domain name to your web hosting. The addresses should look something like this. There are many videos on YouTube that will help you understand this process and how to make the necessary changes in your domain registrar and web hosting accounts. Installing WordPress. Okay, so now you have purchased your domain name and web hosting and connected the two together. You now need a website for your sales funnel, and we highly recommend the WordPress blogging platform, which is totally free. Most decent web hosts have a one-click WordPress install facility. This is available through the cPanel access that they provide. If you can't find it, then contact your web host support for assistance.